What do you mean by an iconic personal brand?
Now, I've been researching this topic for a long time, for almost 5 years now, um, because it's very close to my heart. When I started observing at the workplace that there is a small minority of professionals who are able to grow exceptionally faster than others, whereas the vast majority, in spite of having similar talent, similar skills, similar experience, they're just not able to grow. They are literally stuck or growing very in a very linear and predictable manner, right? Whereas this minority, they are growing in an exponential manner. Then when I started observing what they are doing differently, right, I realized that they are not only good at what they do, but they have also become better and they've excelled at telling the world what they do. Okay, and sharing their knowledge, expertise. It comes back to they are indirectly, they may not understand the concept of personal brand, but they are actually doing it. So that actually intrigued me, and then I started my research. It goes back to 5 years. What I've observed is this, that there are 5 levels of professionals when it comes to personal branding. There are 5 levels. The most basic level is that of a professional. What I mean by that is, you are a jack of all trades but not seen as a master of any field. There are many people who have 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, 30 years experience. They are at senior levels as well, but they are still seen as jack of all trades and master of none. So in my opinion, their personal brand is level 1, which is professional. Then the next level, level 2, is the level of an expert. Here, you are seen as an expert problem solver. You are seen as a specialist in one area of work. People come to you for seeking a solution. Whenever that problem comes to people's mind, they think of you. So that's level 2. You are seen as an expert. Now, the sad reality, what I have observed is 90% of professionals, they retire, they spend their 40-year career at most at level 2. 90% of professionals. Okay, they are experts, but they are literally invisible to the world. Now there are 3 more levels above the level of expert. The next level, which is level 3, is the level of authority. Authority means you have some published work to your credit. It could be a book, it could be an ebook, it could be a research paper, it could be a white paper, case study, something that is published somewhere. Okay, the word authority is incomplete without the word author in it, right? So actually people can become authority if they are aware of it, because they have the experience, knowledge to put things on paper, but most of them don't do it. And the because they are not authority, they don't attract unimaginable, unpredictable opportunities which are beyond their imagination. They do not attract. But there is that 10% who have figured it out and they have become authorities in the course of their career, and they are able to elevate their brand positioning, attract amazing career opportunities, sometimes even like roles that are 2 or 3 levels higher, CTCs that are 2 or 3 times higher, beyond imagination. That's the level of being an authority. Now, it's not over, my friend. There are 2 more levels above the level of authority. The level 4 is called the level of an influencer. Once you become an influencer, you have a community that follows you, that actually is your fan, like a loyal fan. It just believes everything that you say. If let's say I'm an influencer in my domain, if I say something, my community just follows it. They do it. Okay, there are many influencers in the world today. There are few, not many. There are few influencers in the world today. That's level 4. The highest level, which is level 5, is that of an icon. You are an icon in your industry. Okay, so you are an icon, which means you are a role model for others to follow in your industry. So when I say iconic personal brand, your ultimate goal in your professional career is to become an icon in your industry. Your ultimate goal is to build a level 5 brand, which is the iconic personal brand. I hope this clarifies the matter.
Wow, wow. It's quite powerful and amazing. Uh, as I read through the book also, it's quite impactful. Ladies and gentlemen, my question to you is, at which level are you operating? Level 1 as a professional, level 2 as an expert, level 3 as an authority, level 4 as an influencer or level 5 as an icon in your chosen line of work. Great, great. Thank you, Shushan, for reinforcing this thing. And
Yeah.
that's quite thought provoking.